July 2, 1644 Battle of Marston Moor. The Battle of Marston Moor was fought on July 2, 1644, during the Wars of the Three Kingdoms of 1639 to 1653. The combined forces of the English parliamentarians under Lord Fairfax and the Earl of Manchester and the Scottish Covenanters under the Earl of Leven defeated the Royalists commanded by Prince Rupert of the Rhine and the Marquess of Newcastle. After their defeat, the Royalists effectively abandoned northern England, losing much of the manpower from the northern counties of England, which were strongly Royalist in sympathy, and also losing access to the European continent through the ports on the North Sea coast. July 2, 1645 Battle of Alford. The Battle of Alford was an engagement of the Scottish Civil War. It took place near the village of Alford, Aberdeenshire, on July 2, 1645. During the battle, the Royalist General James Graham, 1st Marquess of Montrose, defeated the forces of the Covenanter-dominated Scottish government, commanded by William Baillie. The battlefield is included in the Inventory of Historic Battlefields in Scotland and protected by Historic Scotland under the Historic Environment Act 2011. July 2, 1698. Thomas Savery patents the first steam engine. July 2, 1816. The French frigate Méduse strikes the Bank of Arguin and 151 people on board have to be evacuated on an improvised raft, a case immortalized by Géricault's painting The Raft of the Medusa. July 2, 1822. 35 slaves, including Denmark Vesey, are hanged in South Carolina after being accused of organizing a slave rebellion. July 2, 1823. Bahia Independence Day, the end of Portuguese rule in Brazil, with the final defeat of the Portuguese crown loyalists in the province of Bahia. July 2, 1853. The Russian army crosses the Prut River into the Danubian principalities, Moldavia and Wallachia, providing the spark that will set off the Crimean War. July 2, 1881. Charles J. Guiteau shoots and fatally wounds U.S. President James A. Garfield. July 2, 1897. British-Italian engineer Guglielmo Marconi obtains a patent for radio in London. July 2, 1934. The Night of the Long Knives ends with the death of Ernst Röhm. It was a purge that took place in Nazi Germany from June 30 to July 2, 1934. Chancellor Adolf Hitler, urged on by Hermann Göring and Heinrich Himmler, ordered a series of political extrajudicial executions intended to consolidate his power and alleviate the concerns of the German military about the role of Ernst Röhm and the Sturmabteilung, SA, the Nazis' paramilitary organization, known colloquially as brown shirts. Nazi propaganda presented the murders as a preventive measure against an alleged imminent coup by the SA under Röhm, the so-called Röhm Putsch. July 2, 1966, France conducts its first nuclear weapon test in the Pacific, on Mururoa Atoll. July 2, 1990, in the 1990 Mecca Tunnel tragedy, 1,400 Muslim pilgrims are suffocated to death and trampled upon in a pedestrian tunnel leading to the holy city of Mecca. July 2, 2001, the AbioCor self-contained artificial heart is first implanted. July 2, 2002, Steve Fossett becomes the first person to fly solo around the world non-stop in a balloon. July 2, 2013, the International Astronomical Union names Pluto's fourth and fifth moons, Kerberos and Styx. If you enjoyed the video, then please subscribe the channel. It's a click for you, but a world for me. Thank you and have a nice day.